welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're making Achari chicken, also known as Murgh Achari. Now this is basically chicken that's cooked in a pickling gravy. Now if you're thinking about dill pickles, it's nothing like that. Dill pickles is made in a brine, whereas an Indian pickle is made using chilies and a whole bunch of other spices. There's a particular taste, a pickle taste that comes from the pickle, which I'm going to infuse into this curry. It is absolutely delicious. I have some friends coming over later and they're going to enjoy this. Before I go any further with this recipe, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the chicken. I'm using a whole chicken. This is about 3 pounds, that's 1.3 kilos. And it has been cut into smaller pieces. If you prefer, you can use boneless chicken, but a lot of flavor in this gravy comes from the chicken bones, so I'm going to use bone-in chicken. I'm going to marinate this with the juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Just mix this together and keep it aside. I have a lot of ingredients here, but they are all easily available and they are crucial to make this dish. In a karai or pot, I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and I'm going to add another 3 tablespoons of regular oil, and I'm going to really allow this to heat up. Once this is almost smoking, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of Nigella seeds or onion seeds. We also call this Kalonji in Hindi. I'm going to follow this with 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of Fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. I'm also going to throw in 5 dried whole red chilies. I'm just using the round chilies today, but you can also use regular ones if you like. While these are spluttering and flavoring the oil, I'm going to quickly add in the julienne of ginger and garlic. I've got 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic, and I'm going to follow this with 3 tablespoons of fresh ginger. Mix these in with the whole spices and turn down the heat so the whole spices don't burn. Add 1 cup of onion. This has been finely sliced, and I'm going to just cook it until it caramelizes. Turn the heat up again if required. I'm going to cook these onions till they are nice light golden brown, and then I'm going to remove them. Now add all the chicken in and allow the chicken pieces to brown. If your surface area is smaller, you can cook the chicken in batches. Next, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Mix this well to coat the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Mix this really well together. Add 1 tablespoon of black salt. You can use regular salt if you don't have black salt. Now I'm going to add the onions and whole spices back in, and I'm going to mix this together. Next, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. And 1 cup of water. Taste for salt and add salt as required. Now I'm just going to cover this and I'm going to allow it to cook. This looks and smells incredible. Let's grab a quick pic for Instagram. If this needs more salt, add some more. If you want more gravy, add a bit more water. Cover it and cook this until it's nice and tender for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, add 5 tablespoons of beaten yogurt and fold it in. Garnish with coriander, and this is ready to serve and be enjoyed by your family and friends. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this absolutely delicious recipe. I love pickle, and this is one of the reasons why I love this gravy. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends, and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social media channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there. So make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, happy eating. Take care. Bye.